What is up guys, Cognito here. So Apple just held their Far Out event and announced the all new iPhone 14 and Watch Series 8. But we're here to talk about the iPhone. Let's just have a first look on the iPhone. First is the news breaking outline, which is the fact that Apple has finally ditched the notch for a rather cut-out design, which like we saw in the leaks. Now I think this is a good move because over the years since the iPhone X, they have been having the same design, which is the notch, and now they are trying to change it. The reason why companies find it hard to change the design is because it's already good. It's very hard to change what is already good and is working well. So but over time pressure comes over the companies and they have to change it. How can I have an iPhone 11 and you have an iPhone 14 and it's just the same? Doesn't make sense. So but bravo to Apple for finally taking a bolder move and changing up some things. The iPhone 14 also has a new 48 megapixel camera sensor, which will be amazing because what Apple does with the 12 megapixel camera is already great, and imagine 48 megapixel camera. So we look forward to seeing future image improvement. Lastly is the price. Well, you know you can't talk of a new iPhone and expect anything less than $1,000. In fact, there's going to be a hike in price this year because of the internal components, such they say. So these are the major things we know about the iPhone 14, and there's never a review enough like a day in the life with the phone. So make sure you're subscribed to see more of iPhone 14 and other tech related content. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed watching, and if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit that like button, and also drop your comment down below on what kind of videos you think I should be making more in this channel, and also your thoughts on the new iPhone 14. But till then, I'm Cognito and I'm signing out. Peace.